Hi, I'm Rose Angela Bagul and today I will tackle about the basic cognitive concepts. Here we have four basic cognitive concepts. The first one is schema, assimilation, accommodation, equilibration. So, schema, Piaget used the term schema to refer to the cognitive structure by which individuals intellectually adapt to and organize their environment. It is an individual's way to understand or create meaning about a thing or experience. It is like the mind has a filing cabinet and each drawer has folder that contains files of things he has had an experience with. So, ang schema, ito yung file sa ating utak na nagkakaroon tayo ng mga bagong information tapos madadagdag to dun sa file natin. Tapos, schema, mental structures that an individual uses to organize knowledge and guide cognitive processes and behavior. So, ang schema is yung mga bagong kaalaman. Tapos, assimilation. This is the process of fitting a new experience into an existing or previously created a cognitive structure or schema. Assimilation naman is yung bagong kaalaman na idadagdag natin dun sa file na meron tayo, which is schema. Sa assimilation, dadagdagan lang natin yung mga file na nasa schema na natin. So, ito yung bagong experience mo na idadagdag nga lang dun sa schema. Tapos, the next one is accommodation. This is the process of creating a new schema if the same child now sees another animal that looks a little bit like dog but somehow different. So, ang accommodation naman is, ito na yung bagong schema natin kasi, kunwari, kompleto na yung information, napuno na yung schema natin, gawa ng assimilation, nakuha na natin yung sapat na information, ngayon, pupunta naman tayo sa accommodation. Ito yung bago nating schema and magpa-process na tayo ng bagong information para dun sa isang file na yun or dun sa thing na hindi pa rin natin alam. Tapos, the last one is equilibration. Piaget believed that people have the natural need to understand how the world works, to find order, structure, and predictability in their life. Equilibration is achieving proper balance between assimilation and accommodation. When our experiences do not match our schemas or cognitive structure, we experience cognitive disequilibrium. This means there is a discrepancy between what is perceived and what is understood. We then exert effort through assimilation. So, dito naman sa equilibration, ang example nito, as children encounter new objects, people, and experiences, they attempt to incorporate the new information into their existing frameworks. If the new information is incompatible with their previous understanding of the world, they will struggle to find a balance between their existing knowledge and the new information. This balance is equilibration. So, dapat yung mga information na makukuha mo is balance lang para hindi malilito yung utak natin kung ano nga ba? Ano nga ba to? Ano nga ba yan? Equilibration is yung dapat sapat yung information sa accommodation and assimilation. Dapat hindi sila magkasalungat para hindi malilito yung bata. So, that's all. Thank you.